Hello, good morning. This is Daryl Peterson with Micromeasurements. I'm the Applications Engineering Manager, and I've got a strain gauge installed on this small metallic beam I wanted to show you. This is what we like to refer to as the hybrid sensors. And what that means for us, a hybrid sensor, simply means that typically it's a small metallic beam like this one that's been etched to the right size that has a strain gauge installed on it along with some wiring. In this case, we've got a single strain gauge configuration, so that would be essentially a quarter bridge circuit where we've installed just a single gauge. This small metallic beam would be fixed in place on the right side over here, and it would be loaded on the left side over here. So this would be an example of a kind of a low-cost bending beam type transducer where the installation and the wiring of it is basically very simple, about as simple as it gets. We would provide this whole assembly where we've got just a single gauge, we've got some leads connected onto it. Typically we use an elevated temperature curing epoxy phenolic to glue the gauge onto the beam. Then we connect the wires on it. And in this case, we put a little bit of a RTV silicone rubber coating over top of it. We call that M-Coat C. But this is one of the products that we've offered for many years in terms of hybrid sensors. And that just means for us it's sort of in the gap between a standard strain gauge and a complete transducer. It's somewhere in the middle where maybe the requirements, you're looking for something to be able to sense a little bit of force, but yet maybe your accuracy requirements aren't as high as what you would typically find with a production load cell. So if you're looking for something sort of in the middle, this might fit the bill quite nicely. And we've got this design along with many others, and we can certainly custom tailor a hybrid sensor to meet the applications of your requirements. And if you'd like to find out more about it, feel free to reach out to us at Applications Engineering. You can get to us through the website by contacting an expert at www.micro-measurements.com, or you can pick up the phone and call us at area code 919-365-3800 and just follow the prompts to get to Applications Engineering. Thank you and have a great day.